Good afternoon, my little scientists. Today, we are going to learn about something very exciting. We are going to learn about living and non-living things. I have with me today a stuffed animal and a plant. Which one out of these two do you think is living? Do you think a plant is living, or do you think a stuffed animal is living? What do you think? If you think a plant is a living thing, you're correct. What do we think a living thing needs? Living things need things like food, air, water to help them grow, because those things help them move on their own. Take you and I, for example. Us humans, we need air, we need water, and we need food to help us grow. Non-living things do not need food or water. They do not grow and they cannot move on their own. Let's take this pen, for example. A pen, is it living or non-living? Thumbs up for living or thumbs down for non-living? Thumbs down. A pen is non-living because it doesn't need food, air, or water. It doesn't grow on its own. What about this rock? Is a rock living or non-living? Living or non-living? Non-living, because it doesn't need any of those things to help it grow. It's already grown. All right. What about a dog? Is a dog a living thing or a non-living thing? Living, because a dog is kind of like us humans. A dog needs air, water, and food too to grow. What about a car? What do you think? It can move on its own. That kind of makes you think it's living. But is it? It's kind of tricky because a car can move on its own. But even though it's moving, it's still a non-living thing because it doesn't grow or need food. So let's remember, living things need food, air, and water to help it grow. Non-living things do not need those things.